Welcome or bienvenido, as they say in Spanish. I'm Zenobia, founder director of INaWORD, a foreign language training institute that I set up in the year 2000. In what follows, you will catch glimpses of the INaWORD Online Spanish beginner level courses. What I want to showcase here are the key principles of learning languages at INaWORD, whether it be online or in person. Lots of interaction between teacher and student, many opportunities to speak and communicate with each other, and especially important, a classroom environment that is friendly and engaging, making your learning experience with us truly enjoyable. So without further ado, let's dive in to a beginner level Spanish class at INaWORD.
Okay, so good morning, as you said, is buenos días. Okay. Buenos días. 12 de la mañana a 8 de la tarde. So 12 to 8 is?
Good afternoon.
Yeah. Buenas tardes. Okay, I can send you the PPT so you don't have to write it now. If you want, maybe then you can. Okay, 8 de la tarde y después. 8 p.m. onwards. Buenas noches. No? So, día is?
Morning.
Morning or day. Tarde or tardes.
Afternoon.
Yeah. And noche.
Night.
Sí.
In the evening.
Yeah. Okay. Now you can also replace yes and no with sí y no. No? Sí, yes. No, no. Empezamos. Empezamos. Let's start. Hola, ¿qué tal? ¿Qué tal? ¿Qué significa qué tal?
How are you? How are you?
How are you? Yeah. So, ¿cómo estás is how are you? Also, ¿qué tal is how are you? But ¿qué tal can also be like what's up? Yeah, but it's not that informal like in English. You can still be saying ¿qué tal? To people in general. Okay. Okay. Hola, ¿qué tal? Estoy bien, ¿no? ¿Sí? ¿Qué tal, Srinika?
Bien.
Bien, ¿no? ¿Y Laksha, qué tal?
Bien.
Bien. Sangeeta, ¿qué tal?
Bien. Gracias.
De nada. ¿Qué tal? Bien. And then you can say ¿y tú?
¿Y tú?
¿No? Sí. ¿Y tú? Or in a formal situation, you can say usted. No? ¿Y usted? Which is the you, but the formal one. Okay. Yo?
I.
Yeah. Yo, I. Okay. Tú?
You.
You.
Usted?
You,
Then-
but respectful.
Two, but yeah.
Él?
He.
He.
Ella?
She.
She.
Nosotros?
We.
Nosotras?
We, but feminine.
Feminine.
Vosotros?
You.
You.
All.
You? All.
You
Yeah.
all.
Vosotras?
It's a
All,
mixed
but
group.
feminine.
Oh,
Mhm.
it's a feminine. Okay.
Ustedes?
You all,
Them.
but respectful. A formal. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Ellos?
They.
De. Ellas?
They.
They all for girls. They for girls. Or they feminine. And then we have these 3 questions. ¿No? ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cuántos años tienes? ¿De dónde eres? ¿Sí? Vale. Sangeeta, ¿de dónde eres?
Soy de India.
Sí.
¿Y tú?
Yo también soy de India. Muy bien. Shrinika, ¿de dónde eres?
Soy de India. ¿Y tú?
También, muy bien. Vale. Y Laksha, ¿cuántos años tienes? Age is not
Yo
important.
tengo 20 años.
Sí, perfecto. Tengo 20 años. Ya. ¿Vale? Sí, ¿no? ¿Está claro? ¿Qué significa está claro?
Is
Yeah.
that clear?
Is it
Is
clear?
that clear?
Yeah. So one rule that you have to remember in the initial classes is that when you see a sentence, don't go for word wise meaning, like this word has to mean is and this word has to mean are, like in English. No, because the sentence structure will be jumbled, so try to understand the meaning of the sentence as a whole sentence, and later on you will derive meanings out of it. Okay, 3 verbos, 3 estudiantes. Cantar es para Shrinika. Yo
Yo canto.
sí. Tú
Cantas. Ella canta.
nosotros, nosotras,
Cantamos.
sí.
¿Vosotros cantáis? Ellos cantan.
Vale, muy bien. Ok. Sangeeta, escribir.
Yo escribo. Escribe. ¿Tú escribe?
Escribe. No. It says something else.
Escribí. Escribís.
Escribo, escribes.
Escribes. Okay.
Él, ella,
Escribe.
escribe. Nosotros,
Escribimos.
vosotros.
Escribís.
Vale,
Escriben.
vale, muy bien.
I hope you liked this bird's eye view of our Spanish beginner level class. We'd love to have you join one of our Spanish groups soon. To get in touch, all you have to do is use the coordinates given here. We'd be delighted to hear from you. Thank you. Muchas gracias. Adios.